Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I have one of our patients who is here for a 9-month follow-up. And Ralph, how happy are you?
So happy right now. I have a new face. Everything is good. My family is happy. It's a new life for me. You wake up.
And what about the scar? Do you feel the scar?
No, good. Everything is good. No pain, nothing.
And nobody even notices the scar?
Yeah.
So we're only at 9 months right now, so we still have 3 months for the hair to still mature, get stronger and thicker, and also for a little bit more hair to grow. But where he's at 9 months is typical, and it looks great. Looking back, are you happy that you went ahead and went forward with a hair transplant?
Of course. Everybody come back. It's a new life for you, man. I invite you for coming to renew your life.
And that's the biggest thing. We're going to show before and after pictures, show you what Ralph looked like before he came here. And Ralph, it's been a pleasure, and I look forward to seeing you at 9 months and really seeing where the hair wants to grow out to be.
Thank you, Jeff. Thank you.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.